Hello, welcome to Hume DIY. I'm Chris, and today in this video I'm taking you through how I built this concrete countertop kitchen table with an extension and show you how you can do it yourself. So let's just jump right into it. Buddies, you just say hi.
Hey buddy. Hello.
Hello, I'm back from the store and I gotta clean up some, so let me clean up. Check this out. Oh yeah. Forever protected, let's go. Hello, Editor Chris here, and I realized that I didn't have too much information on what was going on with my build here, so I'm here to narrate again. And let's go. Alright, I got some wood from Home Depot, and I'm picking out the ones for the legs here. I'm starting to cut them. And this is a side skirt to the legs that will connect the legs together and eventually to the top of the table. And here's one side of the legs. This is the side skirt to the smaller end of the table. And here I am cutting the pocket hole screws and connecting them to the legs. Now I'm connecting the legs to the other side skirt and both side skirts to the legs. Let's pray this doesn't break when I turn it over for the first time. It's a little wobbly, I can tell, but we'll see. Nice. Now I got to do some supports for the top and probably sand a little bit, get it evened out, and good for painting. Now I'm here making the extensions for the table. I found this metal piece at Home Depot and connecting it to a 1x4 for the top. Now I'm marking it in the cross beam to the table support, cutting out those pieces so that the piece slides through these pieces and can be extended from the table. Yep, and the piece fits great. Now I just got to do that for the other pieces. And here I'm cutting a square because I want that piece to slide all the way through and not be stopped by the end blocks of the extension. So I'm going to connect these pieces by pocket screws. Hello. Alright, the goal here is to put the 4 braces here and then put the slides connected to this. And then what we're going to do is detach these two. I shouldn't have attached them in the first place, but you know, you live and learn. I was just kind of rolling. But yeah, detach these. So then we have 4, and then we have this connected across the board so we can pull it out. Let's do it. Hello friends. I had a freak out that I thought my little contraption wasn't going to work, and I need to make a few edits on it, a few modifications, if you will, to make it slide better. But I thought the table was just going to fall over, but I'm connecting the top plywood, as you can see there. Got to connect the top plywood to the tabletop, so then it will be screwed in, and then that will rest on the contraption to the extensions to extend the table. So I should be good once I can get, I probably need to reinforce some of the legs still, but once I get the tabletop on there, I should be able to stand the table up and go from there. So, what the heck? Maybe I'll see you more tonight, maybe tomorrow or tomorrow night, because my wife's birthday is tomorrow and she's going out with some friends, so I'll be probably in here. But anyways, thank you for watching. See you in a second. Hello, welcome back to day 2 of the table build. This is the morning, and last night I did end up doing a little bit of work, but I didn't film any of it. I was trying to get the brackets to be a little bit more stable for the extensions, and I think I have a way to do it. But last night, as I was sleeping, I am just not confident in this working out. So we'll see, especially with the concrete weight on this table. I'm really unsure. So I'm gonna just try to get some work done, and then taking the wife out for her birthday lunch. Yay. Alright, I'm picking back up on the extensions. I ended up drilling holes, pre-drilled holes, and then screwing the screws into those sides, and then figuring out a way to screw the extension into the base a little bit better. If you can see here, I put an extra 2x4 on the legs to sturdy those legs. Now I'm attempting to set the table up with the tabletop to see if the legs will stay put with the extension installed. Now for the test to see if this falls with one of the leaves connected. Not a leaf, but the top. Yo, this is pretty dope. I gotta fix a couple things, but it's actually kind of working. The top holds the other side on, while I can extend that side over there. Alrighty, I'm done for now. Gotta go grab some brekkie. Buddy, are you doing okay? You doing okay? Happy birthday.
Thanks.
More screens for you. Oh, there. The battery's about to be out, but I have the fix. So I'm doubling up the legs. I have the fix. Hold up. I didn't even mention that there was a problem with the extension, right? So in the previous scene, you saw the extension only had 4 legs, but it was janky and it was not sturdy. So I ended up adding a whole new set of legs. 2 legs plus a side skirt on the legs, and then put the extension connected right next to it. Not connected to it, but right next to it. And so now the table has 6 legs, and then whenever you extend it, the 2 legs will be on the outside, 1 in the middle, and 1 on the end. So that is what I'm talking about here. It's actually working pretty great. Once another small issue is that the legs are not completely together. See that? How they're like half an inch off. This one's even worse. It's because the legs are not completely 90 degrees. And it's not going to look that great on the final because I would like them to be together so that when you walk up you don't see any difference. And then it's kind of like magic when you pull out the extension, you know. But with this it looks kind of janky. Not sure what I'm going to do. We'll see. So here I am creating the mold for the concrete countertops. This is with MDF, and so I'm connecting pieces all around the tabletop of the table, and then I'm going to connect MDF perpendicular to all the side pieces. And so the concrete will sit inside of this and be resting on the plywood, and then I'll remove the MDF afterwards. I just finished up the MDF on table and only hurt myself a few times. But yeah, the MDF will go on, and then they'll put the concrete inside, The first thing to do next for the concrete is to caulk the edges. Start doing the concrete, pour the concrete, put in the mesh for the reinforcement, and then pour the rest of the concrete on top, and then shake it and wait. So this might be waiting till next weekend to continue. Once again, I don't know, just figuring out as we go along. But it's Sunday night and it's getting late, so yeah. Thank y'all for watching again. Hope this table build's going good on camera. It's kind of hard to film and build and think about all the things at once, but you know, figuring it out, getting it done, having fun. Alrighty.
All right, one last note here. I wanted to show y'all the extension in the table because I didn't show it very much in the video clips, but here it is. Here's my walk pulling the extension out of the table, and here's underneath it sliding. And you can see how the table just goes in between the places that I cut out, and then also how it stops with the blocks at the end of the extensions. Now, this isn't the prettiest solution, but right now it actually works pretty good. I need to still do the top cutout for the table extension, the tabletop of it. But yeah, it's working pretty good. If you want more details on this, I could do a more in-depth video on how I did it, and then also do a review when I start using the extension and how that works out. So cut back to the video.
Thank you all for watching part 1 of this video. I'm going to put part out 2 in a few days. So catch that, or if you're watching this later on, catch part 2 and watch how I completed the build, how I did the concrete countertops, and put it in my house. So thank you for watching, subscribe to get more, and I'll see you soon.